will help the fusioning adhere absolutely beautiful. Here for 30 seconds. I could do it earlier, but I just want to show you that is a step-by-step. So matte top coat first. I'm not using spinnings probably on that nails. And then here's a fusionings obsidian. So I need, it's just obsidian. So this important, this keys for doing a fusioning. You just need, if you want to get one colors, I would suggest, highly recommend as a matte top coat, because that it will absorbing your fusionings so much better, and it will help yours blending and marbling so easy. So 30 seconds. Give a little bit shakes on the obsidians, and you are going to give it a little tap here, and then you can go in a different like patterns. You don't have to do this way. You can add however you want. It will not go wrong. You will never go wrong with this, I promise. Okay, so pigmented. Close. And I'm gonna go ahead and using crystal clear, and you see that how shiny it is. It's gonna get matte look and it kind of dry down. Thank you, pink. Thank you so much. And then we're gonna using is fusioning crystal clear. Thank you everyone. If I don't see the comments right away when I look down, when I look up, I see only a couple comment. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you're really enjoying it. Hope it's getting some cool tip and trick from yours fun nail art. Wipe it off. I need a piece of paper to just write off and release and remove all the residues and the pigments left from the brush. Continue until you are like happy with the designs you want to. I'm not using the other one. Hello everyone, thanks so much for tuning in. Happy Saturday. And I'm gonna just get a little bit hand of it. So the best way to do it, to tap it like outside and toward to the centers or inside where you would like your veining to be really precise. Okay, fabulous. Absolutely loving this. Okay, sorry, my hand is moved everywhere. And done with this, you can continue on and however you would like to. You know, you never go wrong and if you do more or less. So we are going to add, you can add a little bit of silvers on. I'm going to use those silvers this time. Let's talk about silver. You can do gold if you are big fans of gold. I love gold, and also I love silver as well. So it's so easy. And I'm wipe up almost most of the gel painting in the bottle, and then I'm just like add a little bit like a wiggle line right there. It doesn't have to be like really perfect because you want it looks as natural as possible. All right, and then flash key for as 30 seconds, and we're gonna apply this one. I'm so excited about this. I can't wait because the newest is gonna come back. It's back in the stock. So if you haven't seen it, let us know. We're gonna able to send you a link for you. That is back in the stock, and it comes with is 12 more total, 12 colors on the collection instead of 6 color back then. 12 colors. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and using condensed glue gels. First step from a crystal trifecta. If you are asking me in one item you are like to ask to get from Glitz accessory and such out of a lot of thousands of items, if you are like doing yours crystal placement, charm placement, a lot of fun nail arts encapsulating, this is going to be really a great tool and a bestie for you when you are doing your crystal placement. So I'm go ahead and do the no white top coat on the top. Hey everyone, thanks so much for tuning in. Can you just like say hi to everyone? Just wave on everyone, please.
So when I say work on that design, anything you see Nancy use, you can get it at glitzsaccessoryandsuch.com. Link is pinned and in our bio. We currently have the countdown sale to our grand opening, which we get you some extra discount. So come check us out.
Look at that. If you don't want anything else, you're doing just a clear. I mean, it looks really cute, really beautiful. I'm gonna do this one, and you can see how cool this spinning is. It had a C curve, and then you only need to place it right there. I'm gonna leave it right there. I hated it to covers the spinning. I mean, not so spinning. What I'm talking about, like a spinning. I hate to not talking about spinning. Cover the fusion ink, but it's so beautiful. The crystal. Right, I'm gonna have to turn this way to get my spinning right. I'm gonna add some crystal right there. And the next one. The spinning is kind of cool and heavy though, but I'm gonna leave it right there. You know what? I think it looks great because even though it will now I'm gonna add some kind of obsidian designs on. Even though it's covered the not all most of the fusioning, but it's really cool because it have a so cool background that I can able to add crystal and it's reflecting it underneath. But as I say, if you don't want this, you can absolutely, if you don't want to add any crystal, you can absolutely leave it alone. Top coat, cure for 60 seconds, and you are good to go. I'm gonna add some beads on, more beads, and then more beads. I love that how is the background is. Thanks so much everyone for tuning in. Happy Saturday. Let me see. All right, I'm gonna turn this one on this side. And adjusting it before we cure. So it's the best thing about condensed glue gels and no wipe top coat. You can adjusting it before you cure. Like make it completely happy with this, and you can cure it. Okay, so I'm gonna flash cure. All right, adjusting it back. Flash cure quick.